So these are delicious zucchini fries that are healthy because we are baking them. So if you've ever had zucchini fries or fried zucchini in a restaurant, you know exactly what these taste like, but we're doing the healthier version, of course. So we're starting with our zucchini, and I love zucchini because it helps to balance our blood glucose levels. It's loaded with antioxidants, great for our eyes, great for our skin, and that healthy fiber helps with our healthy gut, with our microbiome. So first we've sliced up our zucchini and we've peeled it. But if you don't want to peel it, you don't have to, but we've peeled it because, yeah, if we're gonna make this kid friendly and we want the kids to eat this, sometimes eliminating the green color is a better way to go. So here we see that we've made it into our fries. And then we're mixing our ingredients for our coating. So we have some Parmesan cheese and some salt and pepper, some paprika, and some breadcrumbs. Now you can certainly use the Panko Breadcrumbs if you like it a little bit crispier. You can also go with gluten-free if you're on a gluten-free diet. And mixing this up. So preheating your oven to 425 degrees, and now we're ready to coat our zucchini. So first we're starting with our zucchini sticks, putting that in some flour. So you can go with any flour that you like, either organic or even a gluten-free flour is fine. Then dipping it into our egg. So we've got 2 eggs here that we have whisked together, and get that nice and incorporated and coated, and then into our breadcrumb mixture. And placing this on our prepared baking sheet. And into your oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Now that they're all ready out of the oven, you can choose any kind of dipping sauce that you would like. This is a mayonnaise dip, and they're ready to enjoy.